And this, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, is a custom printed bear. I found online several pictures, several images, and some of these are depicted on this kind of shade. Others are in a dark blue shade. Others are in a green shade. And at the end, I decided to print this with black rooftop, yellow cab windows. Body, it's blue. Here's the face. Face is a resin face. I probably might need to add buffers, but they might look so small, or maybe I do some adjustment or whatever, something. But it's looking almost perfect. Fits a diesel 10 Tomy chassis. They fit really good. Now, talking about the other shades or colors, I decided to go ahead and print this other model with a two-tone body. I mean, actually, there's one band here that is a different shade. The rooftop is gray. Cab windows white. Same face. Face is resin and painted, as you can see. Let's see how it looks on this little loop track. Looks awesome. Now, allow me to tell you something what happened. So, this was not the plan, neither this. So I ordered some filament, and it came this shade. I printed it and I set it up, you know, the roof and everything, and it did not look. I mean, it looked really. I mean, the shade is too pale, or it's not the shade I needed. So. Anyway, so I printed it in this shade, which is that one. But I don't know why I added this black band underneath, probably because I was looking at the picture of the model itself. Look, the tabs are separate part. These are glued already, just in case if you notice. So what I say, you know what? I think I saw something like this, so I overlapped this piece over this, and I say, it looks good, because I remember seeing this model depicted with, or it's the original, I don't know, whatever, with this band kind of lime green. I don't know why I picked this shade, but anyways, but it works. I mean, I found a solution, so it came out really good with another two-tone shell, but it's looking fantastic. What do you think? Again, fits a Tomy diesel 10 chassis. Now, it does take a lot of time to create these models. I mean, not just to print. The problem is to assemble, glue and everything, and paint the faces takes a lot of time. I don't recommend you to do this. I mean, unless you're an expert. Probably I've seen some people that bought some from other seller a single color shells, and it's a nightmare to paint 2, 3, 4 different tones of shells. It's a nightmare to paint, definitely nightmare. This is not the one, but I'm trying to find a sample right here. Here is a sample. I painted these 2 coats of yellow. Not really good. The black definitely works on this. Red, you still need to add more red, and it takes way too much time to paint. For those who already experience painting shells, it's a nightmare, and then at the end it does not look the way you want it. It looks really horrible. So I came up with a solution and print in different colors. Now, I do not own a multi heads or multi-color printer. You know, the new printers are swap heads. And talking about that, those printers are having a lot of problems. Or, you know, I already mentioned it. So I'm holding my my toes on buying one of those, but at the moment we still have separate parts. We just glue them and it looks, I mean, it looks good. Now windows, some people might say, car windows, I want you to try to paint those windows. Those are a nightmare. I can't do this, but I will have, like I said, I will have just the shells available, some of these with the way it is painted the way it is, with the face already painted, glued, just ready to add diesel 10 chassis, and then we have the motor running. Now let me tell you something else happened to me. This is one of the mistakes I created. This looks, I think I already showed you about this, this thing painted. Okay, I made this. I haven't even posted the video. I think I already forgot. I thought this was this, or this was this, and I forgot. I messed up the upload. So anyways, so what happened here, I have a multicolor too. I don't know if I already upload this. I have so many things in my head. I haven't painted the buffers. Need to just do a little coloring. I wish I could have a multicolor printer. I know it increases the time print by 4 times, but so we're gonna stick for now with these single parts and then just glue them. But anyways, blah blah blah. So the faces, I did not notice. I was working and painting a lot of faces because I print a lot of things. It was supposed to be this shade, but somehow I mistaken and I grabbed the primer again. I primer and then primer again. I thought the primer was the paint, but it was actually primer. So I end up with this dark gray shade, but I think I'm gonna leave it like that. So anyways, I just made few of these. I don't have a lot. I just made probably 3 of each, and that's it. I'm just gonna leave it like that. I need to move on to the next projects I like to create. Remember, we are here to create. Look how these models look with these colors. They look nice. I think they will look better, obviously, once I put the buffers. If I added, yes, I think I'm going to design some buffers, and they might look low, stepped like this, you know, stepped a little bit. And I think the model itself, it does have that kind of step down buffer, and I think it's kind of grabbing something like this, and then the buffers inside, I mean the whole buffer. Yeah, probably that will be the best idea. We could do that. Will be for tomorrow maybe. Yes, so this is what we have so far. I will keep you updated, and just few of these available, just few, not a lot, just few. I need to continue on content. So next projects coming, and sponsors, obviously.